Ang ating laro at tinatawag na Old and New Bible Characters. So ang gagawin lang po, pupunta sa kulay puti na upuan ang mga Bible ng mga Old Testament characters. Pero kapag New Testament ng mga characters, pupunta sa itim na upuan. So malinaw po ang ating instruction. Mahino ba GLC ni Mampe? Yeah! Okay, example. Sample muna. Siyempre, para naman ano? Old and New character Lazarus. Diba? Ayan. Okay, old and new. Ang sagot ay New Testament. Very good. Lahat. O, nag-gets na? Okay na yan ha. So, tama na. Okay na, ready na. Next. Ready? Kasi lahat kayo bumila sa isang puwan eh. Okay na. Ito. All the new Bible character, Philip. Dito po new. Okay, mukhang mga katikisa talagang well-equipped ang kanilang mga knowledge. So, magbibigay tayo ng description lang, hindi na po pangalan ng character. Ready na? Ready? Okay, balik. All the new Bible character, an apostle known for doubting Jesus' resurrection until he saw him. Okay, magkaswing. Magkaswing sa salita. 1, 2, 3, go. An apostle known for doubting Jesus' resurrection until we saw him. Bible also new. Sige. Ang tama. The first man created by God lived in Garden of Eden. Wala pang go! Built the ark to save his family and animals from the flood. Oh, wala pa! Old and new Bible character, go! Okay, ang tamang sagot ay Old Testament. So, tanggal si Rachel. Si Noah. Okay, bilis. So, kita na. Sa kita na ulit. So, medyo mahirap-hirap na to ha. Ready na? Ito. Old and new Bible character, son of Isaac, known for his struggles in becoming Israel after wrestling with God. Old and new Bible character, go! Tama kaya sila, Mampe?